got here yesterday around this time, but we didn't get our hotel room until later in the evening, so we went around. Anyways, this is the next morning, day 2. We're gonna get on our boat today, but this is our hotel here. We're going to go to the rental car place, get a rental car, and drive around the island. There's some waterfalls, there's some other things that we're gonna go see, and then return the rental car, go back to the boat, I think, get tested, and then get on board.
Hello, Daddy.
Hey, you ready to go see a waterfall?
Yeah.
Let's do this.
We're in a very... Oh, you can already see it, Daddy.
Huh?
Where you can already see it. We're in a very vegetative area on the island of Tahiti. We're gonna find us a waterfall. Never been in the jungle.
Flower. Are you gonna get in the water?
I kind of want to. Depends on what it looks like, but...
I think you should walk right underneath it.
Oh my goodness. I don't know if it's that accessible. Just a short walk later. Here we are. These guys? Yeah.
You're just holding it like a... You have to be like a director. You got to get into it and imagine what the viewer's seeing. You just can't be walking around.
I don't have to imagine it. I can...
I got to edit
right there.
this.
Yeah.
But you just little snippets, and then I edit it.
I know.
It's only gonna be like 4 seconds.
Little ones over there.